How's it going, everybody? This is Coach Wade, the one-stop resource to help you make money, save money, and add convenience to your everyday life. Right now, on the credit card broker side of the site, I will put a link in the description for the video to bring you directly to this resource. But as you scroll down, you can see several different resources here that you have access to. But today, we're going to take a look at CreditStrong, Install, and Revolve. You see, there's multiple ways to build credit. At CreditStrong, a CreditStrong account is the fusion of a secure consumer installment loan and a savings account. During the life of your CreditStrong account, you build both credit history and savings. I always tell folks it's like having a reverse loan. So instead of getting your money up front, you get your money on the back end. Each single month that you establish your monthly savings into the savings account, you're building your credit. And at the end of the term, you get your money, okay? You get your money. So you're building credit and you are saving at the same time. So this is a powerful resource in order to build and establish credit without going into real debt. And you can cancel at any time. Credit need is fair credit, bad credit, or no credit. Again, I will put a link in the description for the video to bring you directly to the resource. Be sure to check it out and take a look at CreditStrong.